Welcome to Yabbey. In this video, we'll show you how to print and assemble your Yabbey patterns at home. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need: scissors or a rotary cutter, tape or masking tape, a ruler or measuring tape, a printer and paper. Choose between A4 letter or A0 paper sizes, depending on what works best for you. Print your pattern. Open the file on your computer or phone. For computer users, we recommend using Acrobat Reader. If your file has size layers, you can choose to print only the size you need. Uncheck the other layers and make sure to leave the base layer visible. In the print dialog box, select actual size or scale 100%. This ensures the pattern prints to the correct dimensions. If you're using a phone, connect to a Wi-Fi enabled printer and select print. Double-check your paper size and settings before printing. Assemble your pattern. Once printed, lay out the pages on a table or floor. Match the notches on the edges of each page to align the pattern. Trim away or fold the borders to minimize overlap, then use tape or glue to securely join the pages together. Take your time to ensure the notches align perfectly. Cut or trace your pattern. Once the pattern is fully assembled, it's time to prepare it for sewing. Straight lines, these show where to cut your fabric. Dotted lines, these indicate the seam allowance, which is your sewing guide. And that's it! Your Yabbey pattern is ready to use. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned sewing enthusiast, these easy-to-follow steps will help bring your project to life.